So, this Justin, in a shocking road rage incident in Bengaluru, a cab driver's reckless act has been caught on camera all over a minor argument about giving way. What began as a brief verbal spat between the cab driver and a biker near KR Puram took a dangerous turn when the driver suddenly rammed his car into the two-wheeler. Both riders were flung onto the road, narrowly escaping serious injury. The entire act was captured on another's car dash cam. So, in a shocking road rage incident in Bengaluru, a cab driver's reckless act has been caught on camera and all over a minor argument about giving way. So, we have CNN News 18's Afreen joining us live. Afreen, could you please tell us a little bit about the situation? What led to the chaos all of a sudden?
Well, from what we know, it's said that it's a brief verbal spat between the cab driver and a biker near KR Puram in Bengaluru, and enraged by this argument, the cab driver allegedly, he just rammed his car into the two-wheeler, and the two people on the bike fell, but they escaped a serious injury, and they just sustained, minor ones. And this comes very close to another reckless act that was captured on CCTV, where, a couple driving a car rammed into a two-wheeler, because of which a gig driver lost his life. Now, these road rage incidents have become very common in Bengaluru, and luckily for the dash cams or CCTVs, these are coming forward after being captured here.
Right. So, Afreen, has the cab driver been identified and taken into custody, and what charges are being filed against him? Do we know about any of those things so far?
So far, we do not know any of those things, but we will keep our viewers updated as and when we get the information.
Right. Are Bengaluru traffic police planning any steps to deter such extreme road incidents? They should, I think.
Yes, they should. And I think that the Bengaluru traffic police take such incidents very, very seriously, like we saw in the previous incident as well, where, police identified that the couple who rammed into a gig worker and he was killed on the spot, they caught the couple after, rigorously going through the CCTV footage and identifying that this was a deliberate hit and not an accident. So, yeah, the traffic police here does take such incidents seriously, and we really need to wait and watch if this particular cab driver also gets arrested, what is going to happen further.
Right. So, what are investigators saying about the sequence of events? Did the biker provoke the altercation, or was the car driver's response completely unprovoked?
Right. From what we know, it's being said that, the two-wheeler, the driver was not giving way to the cab to move forward, and that's when the argument broke out. And triggered by this, the cab driver rammed his two-wheeler into the bike, and we saw in the dashcam footage that, both the people riding on the two-wheeler fell onto the road.
Right. So, are there any prior complaint or record against the cab driver for reckless behavior, reckless driving, or aggressive behavior?
Now, that's something we should wait and watch, because we've not gotten much information about who the cab driver is. And if the police takes steps into this and a complaint is lodged, we will get to know the details of the cab driver and those injured.
Thank you, Afreen. Thank you so much for sharing that input with us. Time for a short break. You're watching CNN News 18. We'll be back with more stories.